Most people search for peace in money, relationships, or success. Yet their hearts still feel empty. What if I told you that the most peaceful human being who ever lived had habits so simple, yet so powerful, that if you follow them, your life will never feel the same again? The Prophet Muhammad was not only the messenger of Allah. He was a husband, a leader, a friend, and a human being who faced pain, loss, and hardship. Yet his heart was always at peace. Why? Because of his habits. The first habit of Prophet Muhammad was that he began everything with the remembrance of Allah. Before eating, before sleeping, before leaving his home, and before speaking, he remembered Allah first. He taught us that any important matter which does not begin with the remembrance of Allah is incomplete. When Allah becomes the beginning of your actions, anxiety slowly leaves your heart. Try saying Bismillah before even the smallest things, and notice the change within yourself. The second habit of Prophet Muhammad was that he spoke only when necessary. He never wasted words. He spoke slowly, clearly, and with wisdom. He said, "Whoever believes in Allah and the last day should speak good or remain silent." Many hearts are broken not by actions, but by careless words. Sometimes silence is not weakness. Silence is worship. The third habit of Prophet Muhammad was gentleness, even in anger. He was insulted, mocked, and harmed, yet he never took revenge for himself. Allah described him as a mercy for all worlds. Real strength is not in shouting. Real strength is in controlling your anger. When anger rises, say, Adhu billahi min ash-shaytanir rajim. The fourth habit of Prophet Muhammad was that he never slept with a heavy heart. Before sleeping, he forgave people, remembered Allah, and placed his complete trust in Him. Holding grudges steals your peace. Forgiveness is not for others. It is for your own soul. Sleep with a clean heart, and you will wake up lighter. The fifth habit of Prophet Muhammad was simplicity. He could have lived like a king, but he chose a simple life. Some days, there was no food in his home, yet his heart was full of contentment. Peace does not come from having more. Peace comes from needing less. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. The sixth habit of Prophet Muhammad was helping others quietly. He helped the poor, served his family, and smiled at people. He taught us that the best of people are those who benefit others. Even a small act of kindness can become heavy on the scale of deeds. A smile is also charity. The seventh habit of Prophet Muhammad was turning to dua for everything. When he was sad, he made dua. When he was afraid, he made dua. When he was happy, he made dua. Dua was not his last option. Dua was his first response. Speak to Allah before speaking to the world. If your heart feels heavy, if life feels unfair, if people have disappointed you,